Hi, my name is PARARAT. I am 35 years old. I live in Cúcuta, Norte de Santander. My city is called the City of Trees by the amount that exists. I am married. My husband is Edgardo Martinez and he is from Málaga, Santander. Edgardo is forest an engineer. We have a son. His name is Pablo and he is 8 months old. Also, I have a stepson. His name is Edgardo and his father, but he lives in Bogotá with his mother. He is 13 years old and he is a good student in high school. About me, I'm an engineer since 2005 and I have worked in several companies in the industrial production sector. I also have a master's degree in marketing. I have been working as an English teacher in different places. Currently, I am working at ESAP University as a teacher. I am very happy to do this job and it is the reason that I love teaching the language in different ways and helping students to remove the fear of English. I teach adults and they enjoy my classes. Usually, I take classes here, Cúcuta, but sometimes in Ocaña, Tibú, also Arauca, Tame, and Saravena. I have few hobbies, but many interests. I like gardening. I like to travel with my husband to relax a little of the stress of the city. I like to watch movies and I like invite my friends or family to share some drinks in my house some weekends. My plans and ambition for the future. Well, about my plans, I hope to finish paying my house, and so I will have a better stability to possibly study a specialization. Although I am working as a teacher, I would like to be working in an academic coordination in the area of English at university. That will be my ambition. Since it is difficult to do it, maybe I will do it. In 5 years, I will be a graduate of my degree, working in university. I hope to have 2 jobs. In 10 or 20 years, I will be providing English counseling because for those years, I will be very married and I will want to be traveling abroad, resting and enjoying.